Are you looking for beautiful landscaping ideas to make over your small yard or garden? Well, this video is perfect for you. If you have small outdoor area on your home and want to make an awesome landscaping design, first of all you should to take a look what is the best landscaping design that can apply to your small outdoor space. In this video we will show you 30 plus beautiful landscaping ideas with garden step for your small yard and garden. Hope you enjoy. Are you enjoying the video? Then give us your opinion to let us know that we are contributing to you and your dream house. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification icon so you don't miss any future videos.